How to restrict someone on Facebook without blocking them. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Friends tab. Once you're over here, click on the option of Your Friends. With that, your friend list will appear. Now head towards the profile of the person to whom you want to restrict. Click on it. Now click on the option of Message. Once you open up the conversation, now click on the username of the person. Different options will appear. Scroll all the way down. Under Privacy and Support, you'll find the option of Restrict. Click on that. Restricting someone will move the chat out of sight, hide your activity, and you are able to unrestrict the person anytime. Click on Restrict. And just with that, you have restricted this person without blocking. So that's a wrap for this video. By following the same steps, you are able to restrict other people as well. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.